Hey Toyota fans, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and I'm really excited because today we're going to be doing some unboxing. Thank you everyone for joining, and if you'd like to see more of this content, please let me know in the comments down below. Now, let's get started. So this is part 2 of our Toyota Fest donations from companies. If you don't know, Toyota Fest is a car show. We put on 2 car shows a year, and Toyota Fest goes on every year at the beginning of January. And we're really excited. We had so many companies want to partner with us and donate towards our charity raffle. And we're gonna open them with you guys so you guys can see it as well. So I guess we'll start with the one on the very top. So our first one's gonna be Terraflex. This is such a pretty box. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Okay, here, I'll show you kind of what's. These are so nice. Oh my gosh. Got these hats, and then there's bags of, these are Falcon and Terraflex keychains. Koozies, y'all know I love a good koozie. Okay, I'm a koozie kind of girl. I love this. I think they said they were sending a banner for us. So a really big banner. I'm not gonna open it because I will never get it closed. So anybody else have a problem folding things? Yeah, that's me. Cute little Terraflex stickers. Ooh, and I think, oh, this is the best one. This is a Terraflex gift certificate for 1 HD differential cover. That is so awesome, yay! Thank you so much, Terraflex. Like, oh, people are gonna be obsessed. This is so cool. I'm so excited. So cool. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna open, this one's from Mr. Car Wash. I opened it, but I actually haven't looked inside of it. Titanium wash. I love this folder. This is very pretty. Our titanium exterior wash package. It provides 360 degrees of protection and a mirror-like finish that lasts, including our signature Hot Shine Caranuba wax, waterfall, and platinum repel shield for the ultimate car wash experience. Oh, and then, okay, so and then on the other side of it, 1, 2, 3, 4. So someone will win 4 titanium exterior car washes. That's sick. And if you're in the Brandon area, if you're close to our dealership, there's one right down the road from us. So that's super, super cool. And all right, let's move on to the next one. This one's from Popandlock LLC. I have no idea what's in here, so this is exciting. All right. Ooh, okay, first layer. All right, I can see we've got some t-shirts at the top. Oh, and there's one with my name on it. Okay, there's a little card with my name in it. Popandlock Tailgate Security. Thank you for the opportunity to support your event. Glad we could help out, Jen. Oh, that's so nice. With her card in it. Thank you, Jen. That's so sweet. Thank you to Popandlock. You guys are awesome. They've been so nice. All right, let's see. We got some shirts. Popandlock. And then the back says, lock your stuff up. I love this. Oh, they sent it in my size too. Maybe I should wear this. There's 2 of these in here. So a couple of stickers. And then, oh, these are little Popandlock keychains that are in the shape of a key. Oh, I think they're bottle openers too. Okay, that's cute. Those are super cute. I love that. And then, oh, I see something. I'm so excited. Okay, and there's even more underneath this. Okay, lock your world, Popandlock Tailgate Security. It looks like, so there's one for a Tacoma and one for a Tundra. Plug and play lock, power lock. You guys, okay, let's see. For the past 20 years, Popandlock has been in the world leader in truck tailgate security. Located in Green Bay, Wisconsin, Popandlock provides the aftermarket of the best security products for your tailgate, truck cap, and tonneau covers. With over 65 models covering hundreds of truck applications, you can bet we have a Popandlock for your truck. Check out their website, popandlock.net, for the latest products, instructions, and videos covering for the product lines. Manual tailgate locks, power tailgate locks, power truck cap locks, power tonneau covers. I'll tell you what, most Toyota trucks don't come with a power lock for the tailgate. It is an option, but most of them don't have it. So I know there's a lot of people who are gonna love these. Oh, nice. Okay, so then they have a couple of booklets and catalogs and some flyers. They have ways to lock everything in your car, which is very, very impressive. In their 2024 catalog, we got scents, yay! With a beautiful Tacoma on the front of it. I wonder who this is. Who's Tacoma? This is beautiful. This is literally so exciting, you guys. I love what I do and getting to work with all these other companies and who believe in my vision that we came up with a couple of years ago and want to be a part of something really cool and especially give back to our community here. It's so amazing. It's such a humbling experience for me to see all of these boxes and know that these companies, believe in me, believe in this event and what it does for our community. This was just an idea we had during COVID when the lot was empty, and we wanted a way to fill it up with cars because it was so sad seeing our whole lot just empty all the time. So now it's turned into something really amazing and we raise so much money, and we've got to work with all these amazing partners. Let's move on to our next one from Horn Blasters. Let me know if you guys like the box cutting into ASMR. All right. You guys. Because I just opened a cornucopia of fun. So we've got some awesome Horn Blaster stickers. Oh, there's a really big one in here too. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, I think there's more hidden under here. Did I open it upside down? I did, I opened it upside down. That's why. That's why. We got a Horn Blasters sniper air horn. Don't blow your temper, blow your horns. Hearing protection required. Oh, this is awesome. And these can be retrofitted onto literally anything. Motorcycles, cars, trucks, farm equipment, semis. I can't wait to see who wins this. Yeah, you're gonna have to come by the dealership once it's on. Oh, there's so much good stuff in here. Banners for us to hang up, which is awesome. They threw in some Horn Blaster stickers, the wires. So whoever wins the horn, we've got the wires and I guess the whole thing for them to set up the horn too. So that is awesome. Someone's gonna win a very fun horn. All right, now for the biggest box that we have. This thing is ginormous and I can't not fit this on me. And this is from RC 4-wheel drive. Again, I have no idea. These last three, I had no idea. These companies were just so kind and generous. They responded, yes, I'm sending you something. We want to participate. So that's it. They didn't give me any hints, so this is so fun. It's all Christmas themed. They have custom Christmas tape, which is so cute. No way! This is so cool. You guys, I love this so much. This looks like the old Toyota truck, ready to run, all new. RA micro transmission with an F130 micro motor, plastic complete axles, Mickey Thompsons. Wait, there's several of them. Wait, they sent a bunch of them. My mind is blown right now. Okay, so they sent it in red. They sent it in blue. Now, does anybody else think that this is voodoo blue? Let me know. And then I am obsessed with this yellow. This is so pretty. And not only did they send us one of them, they sent us two of each of these. This is amazing. Thank you guys. These are from RC 4-wheel drive. And I just wanted to say again, a huge shout out to all of these companies for participating. We appreciate your support so much, and we're so excited to show everyone all of the cool products that we have. And remember, if you're attending Toyota Fest, this isn't everything. We actually have more, and we'll be releasing the rest of the giveaways on our Facebook event page, Toyota Fest 2024. If you aren't already, make sure you go follow all of the companies we've showed today and in our part 1 some love over on their social media, and thank them for their donations. We're really excited for all of this, and we can give back to our local Tampa Bay community. And if you'd like to see more information about us or the event, head over to our socials. It'll be on Instagram and on TikTok, courtesy Toyota Brandon. And until then, you guys, my mind is completely blown. This is so cool. It really is. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys so much. This is so amazing. Thank you to for all of the support that we've had this year. And we're excited to share it with everyone. Bye, guys.